Hello to my vlog, guys. So today I went to CEX and got 2 steel books for £9. So I got Wolfenstein 2, the new Colossus, for £8, and Crackdown 2 for £1. So yeah, please subscribe and like to see some more, and bye guys, bye.